Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing amazing well. Into this video I share with you this delicious yet perfect Ghana bean stew recipe. Yes, this is really a new way of making Ghana bean stew. It was super delicious and trust me, you will definitely love this. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so since we're going to be making bean stew, obviously we're going to be needing some beans. And I'm going to be using this black eyed peas. You can also use any type of your choice. Now I'll start off by removing any unwanted thing or particles that I don't need from these beans. Removing the unwanted particles from the beans is very necessary, so you don't need to omit it, okay? Alright, so now once that is done, I'll transfer the beans into a different bowl. I'll also go in with a little bit of water and I'll clean for about 2 to 3 times until the water runs out very clear. Now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now we're done cleaning the beans. I'll transfer it into my cooking pot. I'll go in with a little bit of water. Moving forward, I'll go in with some chopped onions and also some baking powder to allow the beans cook perfectly fine. Now after about 20 minutes, this is how our beans looks like. It is turning out just perfect and very soft already. Now I'll go in with a little bit of salt to add extra taste to it, okay? Now give everything a very good stir. I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for extra 20 minutes until it's nice and ready. While that is going on, we also want to blend some vegetables. I'll be blending some pepper, ginger, garlic, some natural spices and also onions. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. And we are back to check on our beans after extra 20 minutes and it smells really good in here and it looks super soft as well, and that's just perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to set this aside and I'll proceed to make the stew. In a different pot, I'll go in with some cooking oil. Today I'm using cooking oil. Feel free to use palm oil if that is what you want, okay? And once the oil is nice and well heated, I'll go in with some cured fish or momone to give the oil extra flavor. I'll allow it to melt for about 1 minute, and once that is done, I'll go in with some blended ingredients which I introduced to you earlier on. Now let's stir everything together very nicely. I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 minutes and it should be ready. Remember, as always, to keep an eye on it. And after 10 minutes, we are back. This is how it looks like. It looks super thick and just perfect. Next, I'll also go in with some tomato paste. Feel free to use fresh tomatoes if that is what you have or you want, okay? Stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing on low medium heat until it's also nice and ready. As always, you should keep an eye on it, okay? Now let's give everything a very good stir after 10 minutes and it's almost done. I'll leave it to cook for extra 5 minutes and it should be ready. Yes, we are back after 5 minutes and this is how it looks like. It's looking all good and just perfect. Now I'll also go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce. You all know how much I do love mackerel in tomato sauce because I love the taste that it gives to my stew anytime, okay? I'll just use the spoon or spatula to break it a little bit, and don't forget to also go in with any seasoning of your choice, okay? Don't worry, I'll be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. As I said, I'll stir gently, I'll cover on low medium heat for extra 5 minutes, and I'll come back to check on it again. Whilst that is going on, don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. So moving forward, I also go in with some chopped carrots and green pepper. As I said, for this recipe, all you need to do is to trust the process and you will come back with a living testimony. After going in with the carrot and green pepper, trust me, it took this bean stew taste to another level. Now I'll leave it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 minutes because I don't want to lose the crunchiness of it, okay? You can also feel free to go in with any vegetable that you want. Now let's add in the cooked beans, and once that is done, we will stir everything together and we will allow it to simmer down on low medium heat for extra 5 minutes, and it should be ready. Now tell me why you are not going to try this bean stew. This was super delicious and very healthy. Your kids and the whole family are really going to enjoy it yourself. Now also let me know in the comment section what you think about this delicious bean stew. I hope you're going to try, and trust me, if I say trust me, then you know definitely something good is in this recipe. Trust the process and you will love it. I enjoyed mine with fried plantain and yam. You can also enjoy yours with rice, cooked yam, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.